Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. In this video we are going to start adding the admin side to our Laravel portfolio, dynamic portfolio website that we are creating using Laravel and using the template that we cloned from the GitHub created by Annie. So let's as for the admin side, we're going to be using the Filament, fantastic admin panel generator tool package for Laravel. So if I search for that in Google, we have the documentations here, filamentphp.com. So let's install it, get started. Here we have the requirements, and let's install it via Composer. I'm gonna paste the command, and then filament install command. Okay, so we have an error regarding the livewire version. Maybe we have another version of livewire. Let's use the Composer update if we have any updates in our dependencies. Otherwise we can use the Composer require command without passing the um, provided version, that is 3.0. I guess that is the latest version. So let's wait for this to upgrade the dependencies. Okay, so that is now upgraded. Let's execute the previous command again and see if that's going to throw any error again regarding the livewire version issue. Okay, so again it's throwing error, so we're gonna install this without passing the any like version number. Okay, so that is now done. Let's execute the filament install command. It says not defined. Do you mean any of these? Filament, they have filament install right here. Anyway, let's create a user and see the dashboard. And recently it's been upgraded, so name is gonna be Tauseed Zaman. Email is gonna be tauseedzaman@gmail.com, and unknown database. So let's do one thing. Let's migrate the migrations. The database does not exist, even though the it automatically creates the database, but somehow this thing is throwing error. So I'm going to quickly create a database. Okay, so I just created a database, and let's re-execute the command. Column already exists, start date. So we have an error in the migration, so let's check on the this is the experience. So let's check the create experience table. Start date is 2 times, so let's remove one and re-execute the migrations. Now let's create a filament user. Name is Tauseed at gmail.com. Password is password. Do you know I already have done that. And now let's start the development server, and let's log into the application admin side /admin/login. Okay, so Tauseed at gmail.com, and password is password. Oh, wrong password, I guess. Okay, so the filament has been configured successfully. Now in the next video we are going to add those resources and the CRUD operations, configure the CRUD operations for them. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.